In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comparison table to your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic way to visually present differences between products or services, enhancing your website's usability. So let's dive in and make your website even more engaging and user-friendly. First, let's navigate to Common Ninja, an online platform that provides various widget options for website customization. Once you're on the site, you'll need to look for the Widgets Plus section. This is where you'll find an array of tools at your disposal. Go ahead and click on it to explore these options. Now we want to type in Comparison Table in the search field. Typing this will help filter out the wide variety of options and narrow down your choices to exactly what we need for this tutorial. Next, from the list of widgets that appear, find and click on Comparison Tables. This tool is specially designed to help you create detailed tables that align perfectly with your website's design. After clicking on it, you'll see an option to create a comparison table. Click on this to start building your table from scratch. You'll find that it offers customizable features to tailor the table according to your needs. After designing your comparison table, it's crucial to make it live. Begin this by clicking Publish. This action verifies that your table is ready to be used on your website. Then proceed by clicking on Save Widget. This ensures that all your settings and modifications are safely stored. You'll then have the option to select a folder where you want to save your widget. Choose a folder that is easily accessible, making it simple to find later. Once your widget is stored safely, click on Save Changes. This finalizes all your configurations and saves them for deployment. The next step is to click on Copy Code. This action will copy a code snippet to your clipboard, which is essential for the next steps on Squarespace. Now let's head over to your Squarespace website editor. Once there, you'll have to look for an option to Add Block. Click on this to create a space where your table will reside. From the block options, select Embed. This tells Squarespace that you're going to insert an external piece of code. Hit Edit once the block is embedded, and proceed to Code Snippet. This is where you're going to paste the code copied earlier. Once pasted, click on Embed Data to insert your new table into the block. Finally, ensure everything is aligned perfectly and that your table displays as intended. Conclude this process by clicking Save to make all changes effective on your website. And there you go. With a few simple steps, you've added a comprehensive and visually appealing comparison table to your Squarespace website.